Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to my class. My name is Juhi Priya, and you are on Cat Crackers today. So, today's topic is going to be the selection process of IIMs. Why are we trying to score 99.99 percentile for this? Why are we appearing for CAT 2024 for this? And who is our Karta Dharta? CAT 2024. तो आज सारे टॉपिक्स कवर होंगे. वेटेज स्कोर, क्या वेटेज 12th में रहता है, 10th के मार्क्स पे रहता है, ग्रेजुएशन के मार्क्स पे रहता है. We'll cover it all. So stay tuned till the last of this session so that you know कि कहाँ पे क्या आएगा, so that you can crack it all. Okay? So today's topic is specifically on the purpose of how many people are going to appear for CAT and how many people will be selected in the other rounds. Okay, so these are the people who are going to appear for CAT 2024, and as I told, there are 3.3 lakh people who are appearing for CAT 2024 this time. You can be one of them this time. Okay, and you are one of them this time. So I have not drawn 3 lakh people. ठीक है, मेरी drawing बहुत खराब है, so I've not drawn it. I've just drawn these many people. उसके बाद there is a preliminary round which segregates people from this to a small batch of people. Okay, from that people there are first shortlist that happens, that IIM does. You'll get a call from IIM and then their selection criteria starts. Okay, there is a test which is an essay basically that they conduct. There is a personal round interview that is the make and break for any IIM, and the weightage of other scores as well. Okay, and there is a second short list that happens in the last round of IIMs, and hopefully you will be one of this student who will turn the IIM, any of the IIMs. Okay, IIMs are not all equal, but if you get into IIMs, they are obviously better than the other colleges that other people are aiming for. Okay, so we will see how does this looks like in the percentile versus score section. Okay, now for the percentile, how much percentile is important for you to have a call from IIM? Okay, there is a list that I have written it down, which starts from 100 percentile. Okay, which it calculates to 99.99 or 99.97 percentile, in which there are different sections where you have to score marks so that you reach to this section. Okay, now in VARC you can roundabout score somewhat between 61 to 62. The score should be 61 to 62 to reach to that percentile. Okay, in DILR you have to score minimum of 50 marks so that you reach to 100 percentile. In QA you have to score 49 marks to reach to 100 percentile. Overall the score should be 142 so that you get to 100 percentile. Okay, that's a dream, that's the final goal that we need to achieve, but we can also concentrate on the other percentiles that I have also noted down. Okay, now 99.99 percentile, उसके लिए आपको VARC में कम से कम 57 मार्क्स तो रहना ही चाहिए. ठीक है, अब ऐसा हो गया कि मे बी आपको इसमें 57 स्कोर आ गया, चाहे मान लीजिए कि 99.9 परसेंटाइल आ गया. ठीक है, DILR में भी 99.9 परसेंटाइल आ गया. QA में आपको 60 परसेंटाइल आ गया. ठीक है, और आपका स्कोर जो भी है उसके बाद आपको IIM से कॉल नहीं आएगा. यू विल ब्रेक डाउन देयर, आपका जो स्कोर है वो ब्रेक डाउन कर जाएगा. ठीक है, तो सारे में आपको 99 परसेंटाइल रहना बहुत जरूरी है, सो दैट यू एटलीस्ट अचीव दिस स्कोर. ओके, तो प्लीज टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस. I'll just spare the screen for you so that you know that which section needs to get what marks and score in terms of converting that to the percentile. ठीक है, 99.99 percentile में you need to have a score of 119. ओके, आप इसको राउंड अबाउट कर दो 119 से. ओके, नाउ 99.9 परसेंटाइल, यहां तक भी पहुंचने के लिए आपको 51 यू हैव टू स्कोर इन VARC. DILR में 36 शुड बी द स्कोर, 34 should be the score in QA. Okay, so that you have a score of 101. ठीक है, वैसे ही सारे में I have noted it down till 90 percentile so that you have a rough idea where does this comes from. Okay, 23 in the VARC section, that's the least that I'm expecting from VARC section that you will get. 90 percentile, you know, people get call even if they score 90 percentile, and that you will know in my next slide. I hope you have taken the screenshot of that slide so that you have a rough idea. Now the IIMs work on the percentile in a way that there are criterias that have different percentile weightage. Okay, now the IIM Ahmedabad for general candidate has 80 percentile. Okay, for OBC they have 75 percentile. OBC gets call when they score 75 percentile. EWS has 80 percentile. When they achieve 80 percentile, they get a call from IIM Ahmedabad. For SC and ST, the score is somewhere around 70 to 60%, and for PWD 70%. Okay. Now for IIM Bangalore, these are important. You know, if you are aiming for IIM Ahmedabad, these are also very good colleges. IIM Bangalore, IIM Calcutta, all of these are very good colleges if you're aiming for 99.9 percentile. Okay, so please take a screenshot of this as well so that you know have idea that where are you going to get calls from. Okay, and these IIM Udaipur, IIM Ranchi, IIM Rohtak are also the budding IIMs that are coming forward, you know, because they are called baby IIMs because their parents are Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta. They are getting feeded, they are getting guided by these IIMs, and that's why these IIMs are also rising. So even if you are aiming for these IIMs, that's very good in terms of where you are seeing yourself after appearing for CAT 2024 examination. Okay, now I have made a graph where you see that what weightage does CAT score has, what weightage does 10th score has in terms of IIM, in terms of when you get a call from any of the IIMs or any of the B schools that you are aiming for. Okay? Now you see over here that 65% weightage is for the CAT score in IIM Ahmedabad. Okay, and 10% they have given weightage to 10th score. So if your 10th score is good, if it is around 80%, if it is around 90%, you are in safe position. You will get call from IIM. Okay, it is not only important that you score CAT. You score in CAT examination and that's all. That's not all, guys. That's not all. You need to also have a very strong academics to enter IIM. You know, their selection criteria is very strong and rigorous. Okay, recently I made a video on the IIM Ahmedabad where Navya Naveli has got admission in a hybrid program and she got trolled for it. I'll link that video over here if you want to go and check it. But the IIMs are very rigorous in their process and they have a specific and unique criteria to call any person who has scored 99.9 percentile. So they see all these criteria after you get a call from them. Okay, now 10% is given to your 12th score. Okay, and 10% to your graduation score. So you understand that you need to have a very good academics all throughout your life so that you can enter IIM Ahmedabad. Okay, and maybe 5% to work experience. This is the weightage. I'm so sorry. Why did this happen? Yeah. Now, I hope you have understood this, that 65% to CAT score, this is the weightage. 10, 10, 10 to your academics and 5% to your work ex. What is gender diversity? If you are a female, you get marks in the selection criteria. Okay. Academic diversity. If you are a non-engineer, if you are from a diverse background where you're not an engineer, you'll get marks weightage there as well. Okay, so you have that upper hand over there as well. In IMB, I think 40% weightage is given to CAT score, and these are given to 10th, 12th and graduation. Okay, so I think 20%, 10, 10, 10 and maybe 5. Okay, that's how IIM Bangalore works. So if 40% weightage is given, you still have an opportunity, you still have a chance that you get called from IIM Bangalore as well if you are scoring 99.9 percentile or the percentile that I have discussed over here. This is not the exact criteria that, you know, if you score 80 percentile in the general category, you will get a call. But if you have a strong academics like this, the weightage will be defined like this, you will get a call from IIM as well. Okay, now for IIM Calcutta, almost 55%, 55 or 56, anything, you get the weightage of CAT score. Okay, and the rest is segregated into your 10th, 12th graduation and work ex. Okay, a little percent is also given to gender diversity in IIM Calcutta. ठीक है, likewise in IIM Lucknow as well, IIM Indore. Here most of the percentage is given to your 12th score and 10th score. So if you have, if you have not scored good in your 10th and 12th, I am sorry, you don't have a chance in IIM Lucknow. Okay, but if you have scored in the CAT 2024 examination, IIM Lucknow does not give much weightage to IIM score. You'll get a call, but when they verify, when they check your academics, the weightage that is given to 10th and 12th will, maybe reject you for the weightage that they cater to students. Okay, in IMK, they give, weightage to CAT score as well, but there is enough weightage to 10th and 12th marks as well. Work ex is also given weightage over here, and gender diversity is the maximum weightage over here in terms of work ex. You see over here, so if you're a female, you have an upper hand over here. And IIM Ranchi, IIM Trichy, Udaipur, Raipur, इनको बस आप CAT स्कोर दिखा दो, अगर आपको 90 परसेंटाइल या 99 परसेंटाइल के ऊपर आ गया, they'll call you. ठीक है, इनका ऐसा नहीं है, मतलब ज्यादा मूड स्विंग्स नहीं होता है, ये कर लेंगे आपको, मतलब बाकी को तो क्या ही वेटेज देंगे. I think CAT score will have your weightage over here. So be determined, be hopeful कि IIM अहमदाबाद तो क्रैक करना ही है, बट अगर किसी और IIM से भी कॉल आ रहा है, प्लीज कंसिडर दैट. ठीक है, no IIM, the IIM that are coming in future or are being stable over here or are working very good in their areas are bad. They are all good. IIM ka tag lagna hi is very good. Okay, so with that motivation, we'll see that what is the percent that CAT scores hold and the personal interview holds, VAT score holds and profile holds. Written assessment test is very important, and I hope you know that after you score in CAT, there is another process. I'll show you. So preliminary round में you get screening, यहाँ पे screening होती है आपकी, ठीक है. उसके बाद they'll call you for first round. VAT के लिए they'll call you, first round के लिए they'll call you, and for personal interview as well. Okay, this is the make and break situation. मतलब personal interview has to be very good, very good. If you fail over there after all this, this rigorous process of CAT 2024 examination that you have, planned your entire year towards it, you have left your job, you're, you are an graduate who has, dropped an year for preparing for CAT, will have to, wait for another year if the personal interview round is not cracked, because in IIM Ahmedabad the maximum percentage is given to personal interview, okay, and for the VAT score as well. VAT score is also given weightage over here, and profile score क्या हो गया, your 10th 12th grads, all of this is your profile score. मतलब उस scoring के बाद भी IIMs have scoring according to the selection process that they have created in a very unique style for their own colleges, okay, and 25% to CAT score. Okay, so this is very important that you prepare yourself for the PIs, for the GDPIs, for the VAT section. All of this should be smooth and clear. So you start preparing for now. I'll get session where you have tips that motivates you and also indicates and guide you to how to crack PIs, how to crack GDPIs. All of these sessions will be available after maybe in between CAT 2024 examination or after that, so that you don't get distracted. ठीक है, मतलब उस सेशन में भी आके आप पढ़ रहे हो, CAT के लिए भी पढ़ रहे हो, that is not done. अभी आप CAT 2024 के लिए प्रिपेयर करो, but I make sure कि आपको वो भी बहुत आसानी से क्लियर हो जाए आपका, because IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, IIM Calcutta, all of this is giving weightage to personal interview. You see how important this looks in this chart, where personal interview is given the weightage. मतलब they see that how confident you are, how desperate you are to join that college. हाँ भाई, desperate ही सही, desperate ही थे हम कि हमने CAT 2024 के लिए प्रिपेयर किया और आज हम IIM अहमदाबाद के इंटरव्यू राउंड में बैठे हैं. डेस्परेट हैं हम, ठीक है, वही समझ लो हमें, बट वी आर डेस्परेट एंड वी विल क्रैक दिस. मतलब ये ब्लू लाइन को हम ग्रीन कर देंगे, ग्रीन फ्लैग कर देंगे. All of this will be done, if you are determined, if you're motivated, if your mental state is just right at this point. आपको पता है कि आपको कितनी actively अपना जी जान लगा के सब कुछ इस CAT 2024 को दे देना है, ठीक है. Now, IIM Lucknow, IIM Indore, IIM K, ये सारे में personal interview has been given maximum score. और VAT क्या होता है? It is a written assessment test, ठीक है, assessment और ability भी बोल लो आप, assessment test, ठीक है, basically essay. So they see how good are you at writing. They'll give you a topic maybe, and you have to write maybe a paragraph or 2 paragraphs, somewhere like that, and then they'll call you for the last shortlist that happens for the personal round interview. Okay, so I want you to take the screenshot of this as well, so that you have an idea how much weightage does all the score, CAT score, personal interview, VAT score and profile scores matter. Okay, now I hope you have understood what I was trying to explain. Weightage of the score, percentile, your profile, your academics is very important, but this is also very important. I'm so sorry. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Do not doubt on yourself. Do not doubt on yourself. If you're confident, if you're determined, if you are, you want that, and you just exactly want that this year you have to crack CAT 2024, you will be successful, because you have to travel that path. You have traveled the entire path, which had thrones, which had barriers, and you have crossed all of this and reached that height where November 2024 2024 examination of CAT is just near, and you know how willingly you want this. Okay, so don't doubt on yourself. Failure, success is just a part of life. As I said, that all this is, about your master plan. This is just a journey of your master plan. So be determined, be confident, and thank you for this session. Thank you for listening to me. Please like, share, subscribe with your friends, and please press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I'm on the channel. Thank you so much and have a very good evening.